Today, we review the best cookie presses that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press. You can easily create batches of consistent and fun cookies with this ultimate cookie press. The contoured large lever offers an easy grip to the users. The cookie press can be held steadily while dispensing the dough through it owing to the non-slip base. The clear cylindrical barrel shows the amount of dough that is left behind. This cookie press is easy to disassemble, which in turn makes it easy to clean as well as load. It comes with 12 stainless steel disc patterns which will keep you equipped for any occasion. Wilton Comfort Grip Cookie Press. You can create better shapes with this cookie press because the fluted bottom raises the press of the cookie sheet. This cookie press is ideal for crafting delicious spritz cookies, as plastic cookie press comes with 12 plastic discs featuring different shapes such as flowers, hearts, pumpkins, ribbons, wreath and a Christmas tree. As everything is made of plastic, this cookie press does seem flimsy. There are moments where you may feel that it would crack. However, Wilton does have an excellent reputation in the marketplace. Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. The 14 interchangeable discs and the plastic barrel make the task much easier. The see-through barrel permits you to determine the content left in the press. This fun, versatile tool is easy to handle. There is always a risk of losing something with so many pieces offered with the Kuhn Rikon Cookie Press. The best thing is that this cookie press comes with a storage box to secure everything in place. The best thing is that this cookie press is dishwasher safe, although you cannot clean the discs in a dishwasher. Wilton Preferred Cookie Press. Wilton Cookie Press lets you craft spritz cookies in a traditional manner. This press has been designed in order to be easier to fill the dough and manage throughout. It features 12 unique shaped discs as well as 4 mini cookie discs for crafting lip-smacking cookies. Use Wilton Preferred Cookie Press, which comes with delicious recipes and complete set of instructions for usage. The ergonomic design helps you hold the metal handles with much ease. You can work on multiple batches without any discomfort with this finely designed cookie press. The non-slip ring at the bottom ensures that your cookie press remains in place and doesn't slide around. Marcato Atlas Deluxe Cookie Press. This cookie press belongs to the kitchen of a dedicated dessert chef. It is available in a plethora of colors and comes with 20 designs to choose from. Made in Italy, this cookie press has been designed to shape variety of cookies in just a single platform. This press has been designed to offer best design and shapes to your cookies. 10-year manufacturing service is offered over this cookie press. You can easily adjust the size of the cookies with the turn of a knob. It can shape 20 to 25 large cookies and 35 to 40 small cookies in a single batch. The efficiency as well as the ergonomic designing makes this cookie gadget superior when compared to other models.